Now, other things on a technical basis, I continue to watch iron ore. Why am I watching iron ore? If you followed the blogs and you followed the live training sessions, iron ore is the biggest export from Australia by a long way. 34% of their exports are iron ore, most of which goes to China. The other week, China told their steel producers to set a limit this year on how much steel to manufacture, which is a clue of an impending slowdown in construction. Clearly, when 30% of your exports are iron ore and the price has dropped significantly and is now below a very bearish signal and could go a long way, it is not good for Australia. Equally, another nail for the Australian economy is copper is dropping. Copper is only about 2% of their exports, but again, copper is a metal that is used extensively when building new cities. It's in all the cabling, and therefore it's another indication that we could be in for a slowdown, or as I think, more likely a recession coming up later this year. AUD, I've shown you the last month, 6 weeks, 2 months, we have been stuck in a range on the weekly. I have explained to you before about iron ore, which is why I believe the price is dropping at the moment. But again, I didn't have reasons for the stop, which is why I took the Aussie CAD the other week, because the Aussie CAD here had multiple reasons repeatedly. We've kept shorting here, shorting here, shorting here. I showed you, if you go back in my blog, I show you how I managed this trade, how I took 80% of the profit off here. I have 20% of the profit left running, and that 20% now is currently 200 pips in profit, and I have my stop here, it's 100, so I have 100 pips locked in. And if you recall, this was based on the fact that if we could break through here, major previous support and resistance, then we could be on for a big move down. And the next areas I am looking at it here, and possibly I may even adjust it to go down to here, and that then would be a 500 pip gain. USD. Hi guys, please like and share this video, and if you haven't done already, please subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, help and advice with your forex trading.